Yeah, so this is actually not makgeolli yet. It's stronger than makgeolli. It's probably 12%. But once we cut it with 7-Up or water, it will be much more like the makgeolli that you would purchase in the restaurant. Kanbei.
Yum.
She's acting right now. Blue, how did it taste?
It tastes delicious.
It tastes delicious, and not just because she's my girlfriend. It's because she's paid in my girlfriend. And this is round 2. This is the old school makgeolli. Let's test and see if the Korean can tell the difference between the old and the new.
Oh, you bought it.
Okay.
It's so filling.
Shisume.
Shiwane.
Shiwane. How's it taste?
I like this one better.
The old school? It's because she put more 7-Up in it.
It's a lot smoother.
Smoother.
Integrated, I guess.
Apparently old school is the best right now.
This tastes more like bottled makgeolli.
There it is. The old way is the best way. This is baby. Say hi, baby. You want some? No? No? What's this? No? Oh, she doesn't like makgeolli, no? So anyway, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully you learned a lot and you took the opportunity to make some makgeolli. Let me know how it goes in the comments, and we will talk to you later.